Okay, what are the 4 things you have got to do to get your house ready to sell in this market? You have got to declutter, you've got to update, you've got to repair, and you've got to stage. Hi, I'm Julie. I'm with Alliance Team Realty. Okay, so you got to update. Hi, I'm Julie. I'm with Alliance Team Realty. Okay, you got to declutter. What does that mean? You know what that means. It means you got to pick up stuff. You got to get rid of the kids' toys. You got to put away the mail. You got to do the laundry, that kind of stuff. You already know that you got to depersonalize a little bit. So get your stuff off the refrigerator, etc. All right, so what's the next? You got to update. What does that mean? It can be really, really easy. You've just got to paint your walls a very neutral color, either beige or light gray. So if you've got some bold colors like red or orange or purple, you want to minimize that. You want to neutralize that. So that's quick and easy. If you've got wallpaper and it's been on your walls for longer than 10 years, I would remove that because buyers really do not care for that. So that can be a big job. Guess what? You don't have to do that yourself. You can hire it out and have somebody else do it. I've got a great contractor for that. All right, what's the next? Repairs. Again, what does this mean? It's broken windows, it's rotted deck boards, things like that, if the garbage disposal doesn't work. So you already know in your house, you've lived in it. You know those are little things that need to be repaired. You got to put your best foot forward, okay? And then the last is you got to stage. Staging, okay, you've got a great stager and they come over and they do their thing. I've got a great stager. It doesn't have to be a big production. You literally can walk through with your realtor and just move some furniture around, see if there are different placements for the furniture, if it makes more sense. You can maybe add or subtract some accent pieces, just things like that. Really easy. It doesn't have to be a big production. So those are just some things that you can do. If you're interested in any of those things, I'd love to talk to you about them. And if you want more information, just click the Learn More button. You can go to my website and I'd love to find out what I can do for you. Thank you so much for watching.